Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. Today's video is Vlogmas Day 3, where I will be sharing with you all how to use the Wheel of Names in your classroom. So Wheel of Names is something that's fairly new and it's fairly great because you can use this in your classroom for things such as like random buddy pair-ups, project pair-ups, as well as just pairing up like book buddies if you work with an older classroom like we do. It's just really grateful. So some of the things that is really helpful when doing the Wheel of Names is like entering their name, letting it spin, doing things like that. You can also do these for things like giveaways, prizes, or whatever it is that you want to do. So I'm going to take you over to Wheel of Names. If you go like to Google or Yahoo and you type in Wheel of Names, it is going to pop up just like this. So now that we have it up and running, basically you'll want to take all of these names out of here and you'll enter in your classroom. So if I had John, Maggie, Julia, let's say a child named Yuzu, if you had a child named Anthony, and you had many others, but we'll just like keep it right here. What you'll do is you can shuffle them, and then you can also click to spin, or you can press Control Enter. So you hit the button and it has like this nice little beep to it, just like you would if you were actually doing the actual Wheel of Fortune. And the first one would be Yuzu. Her name will pop up and it says we have a winner. You will then either close it or remove her. I think it's best to remove. And so like if you wanted to do a partner, you would just let it roll again, just like this, and it would choose the next partner for them. So it will be Yuzu and Anthony working together. You then will push remove. And this is just something that you can add all like class members to, whatever. You can also add images, resort them, shuffle, X, Y, and Z. So I hope that you all go and use Wheel of Names, as it is a random name picker, which is really, really great. You also don't have to do just kids' names in your classroom. You can do things such as places and other things like that. I know a lot of us use it at work for things such as like the classroom, but we also use it for like staff meetings where we are trying to like do prizes and stuff like that. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and also consider hitting that subscribe button down below to be subscribed to Teaching with Sierra, as there will be plenty of other videos